from this struggle, from this shame, from this emptiness, from this beggarly life. It's time to embrace the strength of God. And if you have God, you have everything. You have everything. Your dead situation can be quickened. Your dead marriage can be quickened. Your dead financial situation and position and disposition can be quickened.
Receive the call for that contractor. Receive that good news now in the name of Jesus.
Speaking to your life that before you leave from this meeting, whatever that block your channel, block your flow, block your finances, I alter them right now. Give you speed for that favor, speed for that transaction, speed for that opening. Receive speed for your children in the mighty name of Jesus.